From taking online surveys and freelance writing to creating and selling courses, there are plenty of opportunities for you to make money online. And with some creativity and hard work, you can easily find a way to make $100 per day. 1. Taking online surveys. One of the most popular companies that offer online surveys is SurveyJunkie. With SurveyJunkie, you can sign up for free and start taking surveys immediately. Once you have accumulated enough points, you can cash out via PayPal or gift cards. Other companies that offer online surveys include Inbox Dollars, Swagbucks, and LifePoints. These companies also offer other ways to make money, such as through cashback programs and watching videos. 2. Freelance writing. If you have a knack for writing, there are plenty of opportunities to make money online. You can start by offering your services as a freelance writer and get paid to write articles, blog posts, ebooks, and more. There are a number of ways to find writing gigs online. You can search for job postings on job boards like Upwork or Freelancer.com, or you can reach out to companies and individuals directly. 3. Proofreading and editing. If you have a keen eye for detail and a passion for language, proofreading and editing could be the perfect way to earn $100 every day online. There is a huge demand for well-written, error-free content, and if you can provide it, you can make very good money. Fiverr is a good option if you're looking to pick up one-off jobs. There are often people here who need quick proofreading or editing jobs done, and they're willing to pay $5 or more for someone to do it for them. Scribendi is a bit different in that they only accept applications from experienced editors and proofreaders. So if you don't have much experience, this probably isn't the platform for you. But if you do have experience, it's definitely worth checking out. 4. Becoming a virtual assistant. There are a number of ways you can make money online, but one of the quickest and most lucrative is by becoming a virtual assistant. As a virtual assistant, you will be providing a wide range of services to businesses and individuals, all from the comfort of your own home. Typical tasks include providing customer support, managing social media accounts, scheduling appointments, and much more. 5. Starting a blog. If you're looking for a more passive income stream, consider creating a blog. You can generate income from your blog through ads, sponsorships, or selling products and services. To get started, all you need is a domain name and hosting. Once you have those set up, you can start writing content and promoting your blog. To get started, all you need is a domain name and hosting. Once you have those set up, you can start writing content and promoting your blog. To make money, you can use affiliate links, sell advertising, or sell products and services. 6. Creating and selling courses. If you have expertise in a particular area, you can create a course and sell it online. There are many platforms that allow you to do this, including Udemy and Skillshare. You can also create your own website and sell courses directly from there. To be successful, you need to create a course that is high quality and provides value to your students. It should be something that people are willing to pay for, and it should be something that you are passionate about. 7. Investing in cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual currency that uses cryptography for security. It is not issued by any central authority, making it decentralized. Bitcoin, the first and most well-known cryptocurrency, was created in 2009. Cryptocurrencies are often traded on decentralized exchanges and can also be used to purchase goods and services. 8. Flipping websites. If you have a knack for web design and development, you can make serious money by flipping websites. There are a number of ways to do this. You can buy an existing website, improve it, and then sell it for a profit. Or, you can build a new website from scratch and sell it. The key to success with this earning method is to find websites that are in need of improvement. Once you've made the improvements, it's time to sell the site. You can list it for sale on a marketplace like Flippa.com. Alternatively, you can reach out to potential buyers directly and see if they're interested in purchasing the site. If you execute this earning method correctly, you can earn hundreds or even thousands of dollars per website flip. 9. Creating a YouTube channel. If you enjoy making videos, then you could make a YouTube channel and earn money from advertising revenue. To be successful, you will need to produce high-quality content on a regular basis and grow your channel to reach a large audience. You can also generate income by becoming a YouTube partner and allowing ads to be shown on your videos. Finally, you can also earn money by selling merchandise or becoming a sponsor for another brand. 10. Creating and selling ebooks. If you're a writer, there's no excuse not to be making money from your craft. These days, it's easier than ever to self-publish and sell ebooks online. There are a number of platforms you can use to get your work out there, including Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, Smashwords, and Lulu. You can also sell directly from your own website or blog. The key to success is to write quality content that people will actually want to read. Then, pricing is important. Too high and nobody will buy, too low and you won't make any profit. Experiment until you find the sweet spot. 11. Dropshipping. Dropshipping is a great way to make money online. You can set up a store and sell products without having to carry any inventory. When a customer orders a product from your store, you simply order it from your supplier and have it shipped directly to the customer. Dropshipping is a great business model for beginners because it's easy to set up and you don't need a lot of capital to get started. 12. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a type of online marketing where you promote other people's products and services and receive a commission for each sale you generate. There are many different ways to do affiliate marketing, but the most common is through blogging or vlogging. You can also do it through social media, email marketing, or even by creating your own website. The key to success with affiliate marketing is finding products or services that you are passionate about and then promoting them to your audience. If you can find a niche that is not too competitive, you can stand out from the crowd and earn $100 or more every day from affiliate marketing. 13. Starting a podcast. If you're looking for a way to earn $100 every day online, starting a podcast could be the perfect option for you. With a podcast, you can create audio or video content that your audience can consume on their own time. Plus, starting a podcast is relatively easy and doesn't require a lot of upfront investment. To start a podcast, all you need is a microphone and recording software. Once you've created your first episode, you can then distribute it through popular podcast platforms like iTunes and Stitcher. And if you build up a large enough audience, you could even start charging for your episodes. 14. Buying and selling domain names. If you're looking for a way to make some extra money, buying and selling domain names could be a good option. You can buy domains that are expiring or that are about to expire, and then sell them for a profit. To find domains that are expiring or about to expire, you can use a tool like GoDaddy Auctions. Once you find a domain that you want to buy, you can place a bid on it. If you win the auction, you'll need to pay for the domain and then you can list it for sale. Before you list the domain for sale, you'll need to decide how much to charge. You can use a tool like Estimate to get an estimate of how much the domain is worth. Once you have a price in mind, you can list the domain on a marketplace like Flippa.